No maintenance is something that people dream of in a climate that goes from desert to rainforest. That is impossible. We have maintenance. You're gonna have to pressure wash, you're gonna have to clean, you're gonna have to recoat surfaces.
With our polymer waterproof decks, it's recommended that you recoat them every 5 years. But some things like our post wraps that are made out of natural wood that need to get painted, do some touch up throughout the years to make sure that they don't end up wearing out prematurely. Our undercover systems, once in a while, depending on where you're at, you might have to clean the gutters out. Just like the gutters on your home, they're gonna fill up with debris. That's common with our louvered roofs as well, because debris can build up in the gutter system and it can actually prevent the louvers from opening and closing properly. Pavers and concrete, you can pressure wash it. With pavers, I'd be a little bit more careful about pressure washing because we put infill in between them. It can blow those out. It's recommended to seal concrete every 3 to 5 years. Maintenance on the stuff that we build is very similar to the routine maintenance that you would do on any other part of your house. And a lot of times our customers will roll that stuff in with their annual maintenance that they do on their homes.
There's just no getting around maintenance. Even if you pick a product that has a 50-year warranty, you're still gonna have to clean it. That's just the bottom line.
People come first, construction